In this video, we will going to explain how to install GCeasy Enterprise Edition in 2 minutes. Follow these simple steps to install the tool. Prerequisite, Java 8 or above version should be installed. Download the latest.zip file from trial instructions page. Once it is downloaded, unzip the zip file. Click on the hyperlink to download the 14-day trial license certificate. Copy the downloaded license certificate and paste it in the unzipped folder. Now you can launch the GCeasy application by executing this command: launch ycserver.bat. Once the server is started, you can access the tool from the browser using this localhost 8080 URL. Congratulations! Now you have successfully installed the application in your system, which is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more updates.